Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we're going to show you exactly what a really cool Italian street market looks like. But we have to fortify ourselves first. So we stopped here at Volare Sicilienne to get coffee and a treat. Now apparently they're out of cornetti, but we can have a waffle. And I'm excited about that. So we'll show you what that looks like, and we're going to show you the market.
Okay, so here's the cappuccino and the waffle, which I chopped up.
Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I promised you an Italian street market, and we're going to an Italian street market. This is the Monday Market in Scalea. It's every Monday except when it rains and storms, and it is a fabulous market. Let's go take a look. I saw a pair in white over there too that are really, really nice. And look, non-slip. That's what I need. Check these out for your tables. Nice. This one is all embroidered by hand. You can see that the work on it is absolutely beautiful. These little flowers and super delicate stitches. So pretty. Wow. There's a whole collection of these here. Here is my favorite section here. It's the cheese section. Check this out. Now down below you got baccalà, which is salt cod that's dried, and you basically rehydrate it in the bucket. It's very, very good. You would never know it was dried. The cheese section is my favorite section. So I'm going to see what they got.